All right. Why did the chicken cross the playground? Obviously, to get to the other slide. Get it? Oh boy. Okay, so we've got rates. This is the kind of the brother to ratios. It's essentially the same thing, but instead of comparing two things with the same type of measurement, we're comparing two things of different types. Okay, two different types of measurements. Now, the way that rates use works is instead of using the dot dot, we're now going to use a slash. That means per. So, for example, you get dollars per hour, right? Dollars per hour, or you get kilometers per hour, or you can have something like meters per second. You've kind of got these. These are what we call rates. So we're no longer using dot dot, and now we need to have the units present. Okay, we need to know what they are. First things first, I want you guys to see if you remember how to fill this out. So pause the video here and see if you can fill in these blanks here. Give you a moment. All right, so hopefully you gave that a try. 1 year is hopefully you got it. There's 52 weeks in 1 year, but we also know that there's 12 months in the year. Okay, January, February, you get the idea. 1 week is 7 days. Hopefully you knew that. 1 day is 24 hours. Hopefully you knew that. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Hope you knew that. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Hope you knew that. And the one that was kind of didn't really fit in, but I need you guys to know it for today is 1 ton is 1,000. Okay, 1,000 kilograms. Okay, so these are some unit measurements. We're going to need to know how many is in each, because that's going to be what tells us what we need to divide or multiply by for these questions. Okay, so the first question that we have here is I want to convert 150 meters per minute, and I want to convert that to kilometers per hour. Okay, now I'm going to write down, I'm going to start with 150 meters per minute. And where I want to end up is I want to end up with kilometers per hour. Now, let's work step by step. We might need a couple of steps to get there. But the first things first is how many minutes are there in 1 hour? So I'm going to try change this one first. So how many minutes are there in 1 hour? Well, there's 60. So I need to multiply it by 60 because an hour is bigger, right? So I'm going from a minute to an hour. That means I need to times the other number by 60 as well. So I'm going to do that. 150 times 60, and that should give you a total of 9,000 meters. Okay. Now I've got the hour correct. All I need to do now is convert it from meters to kilometers. Okay, now it's still per hour, so I don't need to do anything here. Now 9,000 meters is the same thing as how many kilometers. I hope you picked up that it was 9. And so your answer for this one altogether would just be 9 kilometers per hour. Okay, so that's how we would solve that one. Do I have one more? Nope. I think that's it. Wishing you all the best for today's lesson. Good luck. Catch you later.